Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to the monthly Yulee Cars and Coffee Cruise In for March. This is going to be our dashboard cam, our car show cam video. Don't know how much is on it because we just drove in. We did at least get to park in the show area. So, you might get to see a few cars go by. Really don't know at this point. I haven't edited the video yet. But we'll see together. If you're not into this video, there's usually not much on it. You can move right on to the next video. There's going to be plenty. There's going to be the pole cam. There's going to be the walkabout cam. There's going to be the lid cam. There's going to be scooter vision. There's going to be all kind of videos from this event. I hope you guys enjoy it. This was a great event. It's always good. We always enjoy it. There's always different cars to see. I mean, you have a core group of people that show up every month, but then you've always got different cars showing up. You know, it's one of those events where you never know what you're going to find. It's a Forrest Gump car show, if you will. If you know, you know. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do enjoy it, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. I'm going to shut up now. We're going to get you out to the car show. Let's rev it up for them hot rods. You had to get in the back to get the camera back.
Mm-hmm. I wonder what you were doing that for.
So I didn't have to have 6 things in my hand coming out the door.
Mm-hmm.
I still ended up with 2 bags.
Oh, volume bass booster. I better leave that, huh?
Yeah, because I don't know what that is.
Alright. Everything on?
Yeah.
You gonna leave it up that high?
Yeah, that way it's not pressing any buttons.
Alright, where do you want it?
I guess down yonder at the...
That it? I don't see the other one.
It's in there. It should have been right there at the top.
Nope.
Around the turret. When you walk around the turret, you find out why it went black. There's a sign. 3 men were killed. It's like, damn. You ain't sinking that joker with one of those. You're gonna have to hit it from the top.
If they brought those back out of town, this year,
Indianapolis sank an island. Literally sank an island. New Jersey was the one that deleted the artillery battery, wasn't it? Full broadside. Yep. He teaches stuff in a way you don't forget it.
Yeah.
Man, the spicy ball moves. Everybody getting ready to leave? Yes. Oh, it's 12:30. Yeah. How much did you spend on new appliances? I just spent 7% of that on something. I'm going to use a turtle box because I'll use it in the garage. It's realistic. I'm not, Game of Park series, which are excellent freaking speakers. Whatever works.
I wore, I took a pair of shorts to the fairgrounds and the church yesterday. And I had stuff in my pockets. I went to the bathroom to change. I came back out wearing my jeans. Show me small what happened. As soon as I stuck everything in my pockets, it went whoop. I was like, nope, put my jeans back on.
I've been looking at some capris as well. Sitting at the doorway.
I wear medium and a lot of stuff. But they were perfect. And I'm like, something's obviously not right there.
It's like a better grade clothing.
Yeah. Some shirts that I buy medium and some large. It was like some extra. This was I think I went to the store and just I got a pair now.
I didn't know he got caught on 108. Yeah. How could they never come to my yard? I would invite him into the house. Here, I'll give you protection.
Nice motor.
Then, yeah.
Both of them.
Lonnie's nice too. You're running from the cops. Come in and I'll hide you after I choke you out and use your puncher bag.
She knows that though.
Yeah.
I can use some live practice.
She's sweet.
I went down there yesterday. We had that car show over there and we went down 108.
I couldn't believe her didn't show.
I usually don't carry them. I break me to sleep.
You ready to get out of here?
I am.
Papa's gonna go into Papa.
Somebody's stealing your camera.
I could have looked at it 5 minutes ago. It was standing up. I got down there just then. It was.
Oh no.
Mr. Quantus, if you would just grab the first thing you could, a towel holder off the bathroom wall, you're getting it.
Hey, when you hear that belt go through them belt loops, you know you're in
I
trouble.
wasn't worried about the belt. That was the least thing. Yeah, you hear that suction coming out there, you get that bubble right.
You hear him going through every belt loop.
My dad, those little plastic yellow BB
Mom always
shotguns.
leaves this
Me and my
much of
brother
the
had
leaves
them.
on the end of it.
Them dogs must be trained pretty good too.
Yeah.
To stay on that buggy. I'm just gonna loop around and come right back out. All right. Hey, you got your bull session. Mm-hmm. And I wasn't counting time. We got plenty of time. Yeah. Where you want to stop and get root beers? Oh, gate. Okay. 'Cause I don't particularly want to try to get out from over yonder. Straight across, you know? Mm-hmm. Man, they roar, don't they? Yep. Let that air blow in. Mm-hmm. Them poor candy bars are probably melted. Maybe not. Was it zipped up? It should. Yeah, no, mostly zipped up. Maybe alright. It ought to be soft. Oh hell, my whiskers is whipping the hell out of me.
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Yulee Cars and Coffee Monthly Meetup for March. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We enjoyed going out to the show. We had a great time. We always have a good time at the car show. It was just this month. It seemed to be a little bit small. There were other events going on this month, this weekend. And the big draw, I think, was the Players Championship in Ponte Vedra. So that may have hurt us a little bit with having cars come out. You never know. It may just not. Word may not just not got out. I mean, I don't know. But we enjoyed ourselves, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're trying to grow the channel. We're at 358 subscribers. We need to get 500 subscribers. So any help you guys be on that, it's great. If you can like it, subscribe, share, comment. It helps. It tells YouTube that people are watching my videos and they're actually liking what they're seeing. Also, make sure you're still subscribed if you were an original subscriber, because, you know, sometimes YouTube likes to kick off subscribers just to, you know, mess with us a little bit. That's really all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to keep going out to the car shows. We're going to keep filming them. We're going to keep posting the videos. We're taking you guys out to the car show so you can go to the car show from the comfort of your own home, from the comfort of your couch. You can watch it on your TV. You can watch it on your phone. You can watch it anywhere you want. We're taking you to the car show virtually. So I hope you guys enjoy it. We'll see you guys at the car show, whatever the next car show may be, and wherever it takes us, we're going to be there.